Hey guys, welcome to MA Stories. So today I'm here at JFK Park to show you the beautiful view of this park. Look at this. So in addition to the view, I'm gonna unbox my new Ray-Ban Story glasses. Oops. Ray-Ban Story glasses comes in this beautiful box. Look at this. And Ray-Ban Story series features a dual camera, open ear audio, and pair with the Facebook View app to edit and share the content videos. Yep. So right now I'm doing the unwrapping of this box. I took it out of the rubber and I'm gonna open the box. So there you go, guys. And it is inside this plate, inside this case. And look at this. It has a charger and it tells me how to download the application and everything. All the instructions are here. So I opened the case and I'm gonna show you how my glasses look like. Here you go. Bam. It's a bluish color and has dual camera and also audio pairing. I'm gonna take more videos with using this Ray-Ban Story glasses, and that's it for today. Have a great day, everybody, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.